Alright, so I got that third bolt out, which was actually not so bad once you find it, but I can't seem to figure out what to do with. You can see there's a cable here. Connects down right there, that cable, the one that runs to the right. It runs all the way over to down in there. I tried to disconnect it, but it doesn't seem to come apart down there. So I'm not sure, because when I pull the compressor out, I'm not sure quite how I wrote these lines around either, but it's going to pull that cable, so I'm not quite sure what to do there. Thanks, guys.